Well, I'm back in sunny Jaun Bautista, looking at this field of Belton, which is now ready for harvest. As you can see, everything here is done by hand. So these, no, we're not. This is not a third world country. This is the US of A. And see, they've actually covered the leek up with the leaf to keep the sun off. So you've got these lovely bunches of leek under here. Very technical. They actually trim them. This is the weapon of choice. Oh dear. Put them in the box, trim them, then put them in this stillage. But just look at that quality. I mean, that is incredible. Everyone's a winner. There's very little waste on the field, and what you do see is more a result of bad trimming or bad cutting rather than any disease problems. Small one there for some reason, but there's not much. There's a lot of leaf, but very little wastage. The leek itself here is looking a little bit drought stress, not because there's lack of water, just because they've been undercut. So they undercut them, then hand pull them. And here you can see that's what we're harvesting at the moment. It's a really nice field. I should imagine it could be in 1,700 boxes to the acre. Everything here is sold by box, bunch, rather than by weight. And it will be grown, sent to a shipper or a packer, and then sold. So this leek is being labelled for a shipper or packer, but not actually grown by them. And then it will end up in one of the supermarkets, maybe. Could be Walmart, Safeway, Vons, any one of a number of places. But they're really clearing this field quite fast. I've been down here, I don't know, 2 or 3 times, and they're marching over it. You can see today they've probably done, I don't know, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beds maybe through the field. So they're really steaming through it. The amount of hand labour involved in this crop, I shouldn't say in this crop, in this field, in this production field, is extremely high though. There'll be as many as 50 people here harvesting leek, manually bunching them, trimming them, and placing them in the stillages. The beauty of it is, once they do go into the pack house, all they need doing is being washed, and then they're finished. So, but it's expensive. It's a very expensive way to harvest leek. Okay, you can see they're quite conscientious, but unless you're here with them 24/7, they're not overly motivated to work hard. Got a few gaps in the field, but generally it's a decent, really nice, healthy crop. So it's goodbye from Jaun Bautista. A little bit more cloud in the sky now, look.